Hello, I'm going to solve Math Cambridge June 2010, paper 1. Question 1. What is double 85? Now, double 85 means 85 multiplied by 2 equal 170. Question 2. Circle the digit worth 5 tenths in the following number. 5 tenths. So here is unit, here is tenths. So the number is in the middle. Question 3. Take the equilateral triangles. So equilateral triangles means you have 3 equal sides. So the triangle has 3 equal sides. Will be this triangle and this triangle. Question 4. Kenny buys a kite and a ball. The kite costs 9 cents and the ball costs 7 cents. A. How much does she spend in total? So here the kite plus the cost of the ball is 9 plus 7 equal 16 cents. B. How much change does she get from 20 cents? So she gives the shopkeeper 20 cents. How much she will receive back? So you get 20 minus 16 equal 4 cents. C. Take the coins to show her correct change. So now she will be given back 4 cents. So the coins that will be given back to her will be this coin and this coin. Question 5. Here is a set of numbers. So here 254, 542, 245, 524, 452. Circle the number that is a multiple of 5. Now multiple of 5, so the ending must be 0 or 5. So here there's only one number that ends with 0 or 5 is 245. B. Here is a different set of numbers. 27, 45, 85, 74, 63. Circle the number that is a multiple of 2. Now, so the multiple of 2 is that it has to be divisible by 2. So it has to be 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. So in this case, you have only 74 is a multiple of 2. Question 6. Tanila has a compass, but it is broken. Mend the compass by writing in the missing directions. So in here, you get north, here is the west, so here is east, and at the bottom here will be south. Question 7. Fill in the missing numbers. A. 3 meters equal centimeters. So 1 meter equal 100 centimeter. 3 meters equal 300 centimeter. B. 2 kilometers equal meters. So 1 kilometer equal 1,000 meters. So 2 kilometers equal 2,000 meters. Question 8. Ashok writes letters in the Venn diagram. Here is his diagram. Curved line, straight line. So here is a circle. So here is G, because here has the straight line, here is the curved line, so it is in the interaction of the curved line and the straight line. And you have the F here, because in the letter F Can you see? It only has a straight line, so it will be here. Question 9. Calculate 4 multiplied by 8 equal 32. 9 multiplied by something equal 54. So you can take 54 divide by 9. The answer will be 6. Question 10. Put these angles in order of size, starting with the largest. So you have this angle, these angles, these angles, and these angles. So 2 is the largest, followed by 1, followed by 4, and the smallest will be 3. Question 11. There are 6 edges in a box. How many boxes will 78 edges fill? So 70 edges we divide. Each box has 6 edges, so you will need to have 13 boxes. Question 12. The bar chart shows the number of bread rolls sold at the bakery. How many organic rolls are sold? So this is the organic. So if you plot it here, the number will point to 20. So the answer will be 20. Question 13. Charlotte goes to sleep at 7:30 p.m. She wakes up at 6:30 a.m. the next morning. For how many hours does she sleep? So you can calculate from here, 7:30 to 12 p.m. in the midnight is 4.5 hours. Then from midnight to 6:30 is 6.5 hours. So when you add up together, you get 4.5 plus 6.5 equal 11 hours. Question 14. This jug contains water. Victoria pours 50 milliliters of this water into a drink. How much water is left in the jar? So can you see in the beginning, this level, it means 700 milliliter. Now she pour out 50 milliliter. So the water remaining inside will be 700 minus 50 equal 650 milliliter. Question 15. A concert hall has 49 rows of seats. There are 34 seats in each row. Estimate the number of seats in the concert hall by rounding these numbers to the nearest 10. Okay, so first we have to find the number of seats in the concert hall. So we have to take 49 multiplied by 34 equal 1,666 seats. Now you round up to tens, that means here 6, it can either be 60 or 70. However, 66 is bigger than 65, so it will round up to 1,670 seats. Question 16. Draw a line which measures 57 milliliter. You must use a ruler. So you draw some line roughly about 5.7 centimeter. Then you will get it correct. Question 17. Ali, Bob, and Tim share a chocolate cake. The cake is cut into 12 pieces. Ali eats 1/4 of the cake. Bob eats 1/3 of the cake. Tim eats 1/6 of the cake. A. Shape the cake to show how much Ali eats. So Ali eats 1/4. So the cake we have to divide into 4 equal pieces. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So Ali will eat this Okay, this set. B. Who eats the least cake? Now the least cake, that means you eat the least. So team eats the smallest amount of cake is 1 part out of the 6 parts. So it is smallest. So team is a person who eats the least cake. C. How many tiles of the cake does Bob eat? So Bob eats 1/3. Now, if the cake being divided into 12 pieces, then Bob will eat. So 3 change to 12 is by multiply by 4. So 1, you also have to multiply by 4 to get 4/12. So Bob will eat 4 pieces out of 12 pieces. Question 18. Calculate 35.42 minus 23.37. So you just do the normal minus, you get 12.05. 19. Complete this calculation. 4.68 multiplied by 100 equal 468. So this one just moved by 2 digits because it's multiplied by 100. B. 5,700 divided by 1,000. So equal 5.7. So we just move back here 3 space because it's divided by 1,000 with 3 0. Question 20. Here are 3 pairs of lines. Pair 1, pair 2, pair 3. A. Pair are perpendicular lines. Now, perpendicular, that means it creates a 90-degree angle. So pair 2 here, it has a 90-degree angle. B. Pair are parallel lines. Parallel lines mean the lines never cut each other. So here you have pair 1 because these 2 lines, they never cut each other. Question 21. Calculate 3.5 multiplied by 7. The answer will be 24.5. B. Calculate 8.4 divided by 6. The answer is 1.4. So remember the dotted point. That's when you reach the dotted point, you have to put the dotted point here. So for the same thing for the multiplication, when you reach the dotted point, you have to remember to put the dotted point at the result too. Question 22. Here is a bus timetable to Heathrow Airport, UK. Priyanka lives in Shepperton. She needs to catch a bus to be at Heathrow Airport Centre by 7 a.m. What is the latest time she can leave Shepperton to arrive on time? Now, she needs to get to Heathrow Airport Centre at 7 a.m. So here is the Heathrow Airport Centre. So this is the time for the bus to arrive at Heathrow Airport Centre. So here you have 2 times. One is arriving at 7:20 and one is arriving at 6:50. But 7:20 is too late because she wants to arrive at 7 a.m. So the bus must arrive at 6:50. Now then we will trace back to the time, to the place where she stayed. So she stayed at Shepperton. So she had to take the bus at 6:02. So the latest time she need to take the bus is 6:02. B. How many minutes is the bus journey from Heathrow Terminal 4 to Heathrow Airport Centre? So Heathrow Terminal 4 is here. Now you can trace back, for example, here. So you can see that the bus leaves arrive at Heathrow Terminal 4 is 7 a.m. and when it reaches the Heathrow Airport Center, it is 7:20. So the journey of the bus will be 7:20 minus 7 equal 20 minutes. Question 23. Mary is making a large cube from smaller cubes. She has completed 3 phases. This small cube, okay, this is a large cube. What is the least number of smaller cubes she needs to complete her large cube? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 at one layer, and 1, 2, 3 at the back. So another 3. So totally you will have 7 cubes. Question 24. I'm thinking of a number. 2/3 of my number is the same as 1/4 of 56. What is my number? Now we can call the number that we are thinking of is A. So 2/3 is 2/3 multiplied by A equal 1/4, that means 1/4 of 56. So 2/3 of A equal 14. So A equal 14 divided by 2/3, or A equal 14 multiplied by 3/2, because here is division. So you have to reverse the fraction up. So 14 multiplied by 3/2. So A equal 21. So 21 is the number that I'm thinking of. Question 25. A group of children take a math test and a science test. Their results are shown in the table. So this is the result. Okay. A. What is the range for the math test score? So can you find the range? The range is the biggest number minus the smallest number. So we get 10 is the biggest, 5 is the smallest. So 10 minus 5 equal to 5. Okay. B. What is the model score for the math test? So the model score, that means the score that occur most often. So can you see here? It is number 10 that occur 3 times. C. What is the median score for the science test? For the median score, first you have to rearrange this number from small to big. Then you will choose the middle number. So the middle number here will be 9 plus 9. Then you take the average, is divided by 2, equal to 9 score. Question 26. Here is the magic square. Each row, column, and diagonal adds up to the same number, the magic number. A. Fill in the missing number. B. What is the magic number? So here is the empty plot that we need to fill in. So here you have the row, here you have the column, okay, and you know that the sum, okay, the number have to be the same. So this column, this diagonal, this column, and this row, they have to add up to the same result. So it is 36. So from here you know that it has to be 36. So here should be 10. Same thing. Here have to be 36. So here is 4. And the magic number is 36. Okay, that is for today. Thank you for listening.